What's happening, you guys? So I know today's video is running a little late. As some of you know, some of you don't. Lately, I've been dealing with some surgery with my wrist. My wrist had to be reconstructed due to torn ligaments and things of that nature, causing the bones to kind of be put out of place. So yesterday I had my appointment from when I had my first surgery done on my right wrist, and they put me in a full cast, so I wasn't able to go out and film yesterday after everything went down. So bear with me. I'm gonna still try to. Today's Wednesday morning. Usually I get videos out Wednesday morning. I'm gonna still try to have this video uploaded by Wednesday night. But I just wanted to reach out and kind of give that apology for the tardiness, I guess you could say. Now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up my gear, and we're gonna get on the road and have ourselves an adventure today. Deuces. This is kind of everything that I'm going to be taking out today. Got a couple GoPros, got my drone, got my Nikon Z30 there with my gimbal, couple mics, batteries, Tylenol. Let's get it all loaded up. We're all set to go. What's happening, everybody? So here we are at the start of our hike for Bird Creek Falls. Now the way to find this is basically we had to go to the Bird Creek trailhead or the Bird Valley trailhead and begin our hike here. So altogether this is going to be about a 3 to 3.5 mile hike, I want to say. It's all roughly flat terrain, which is going to be great, especially with my wrists and not being able to like scramble or climb over rocks or anything like that. But yeah, we're gonna have a great time. It is a little bit windy out today. Hopefully when we get to the falls itself, it's not as windy just because of the trees and everything like that. This way we can get some cool drone footage over there. So that's what I'm hoping for. But besides that, let's go find out. Let's do this hike. Let's have a good time and have ourselves an adventure. All right. Alright, so that's where we're sitting at right now. The falls aren't showing on the map, but it's showing us it's right about here. So we gotta cross the Penguin Creek here, and then to get to that Bird Creek Falls. Now, I wanted to take a second to let you know I am tracking this on the All Trails app on my iPhone. Because once again, I'm not 100% sure where I'm going, because even on the map it's not showing, but on All Trails it is. So yeah, it's not a plug-in, but it's definitely a great app to have. So you can hear in the background behind me, that's Penguin Creek, and it's definitely flowing today, which is a good sign. Once again, it's not that windy here at the moment like it was back where we parked.
Man, this is just all so beautiful. Just take a look at that river there. There's something majestic about it. There's really no other words to put it. Let's keep on to Bird Creek though. So it's times like this I start to consult the app because I got 3 different options to choose from. It looks like we're going to start turning left up ahead. Doesn't look like right now. Maybe a shortcut, maybe let's back up. But we're going to keep going straight a little bit and see if it doesn't bank slightly left. It looks like it does slightly, but this is a steep hill. That one's not so steep. So let's get to walking. Yeah, no, we gotta go back. We went the wrong way. Alright. Through this section here, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting some real like Harry Potter and the Forbidden Forest kind of vibes here. Do almost every 5 steps I take, I'm walking into a spider web of some kind. Man, just keeping my ears posted though. Make sure I'm not hearing anything in the bushes or anything like that. Oh, I think we're about halfway there now. Kind of a cool, but at the same time kind of a sad find in the middle of the woods. Like, it's one thing to have an abandoned vehicle, but man, this thing's an old Mustang. I was trying to see if I could find a VIN before I could see exactly what year it was off of that VIN, but there seems to be no luck. But man, bet that thing was pristine back in its days. But one thing about modern vehicles, aren't you happy they got away from front drum brakes? God, my old bus used to have front drum brakes. I hated how those brakes felt all the time. Yeah, all right, back to it. So right behind me you can see Bird Creek. We're currently at the base, or at the top I should say. I want to assume we don't have that much farther to get to till we get to the falls. God, it's so beautiful. I can't stop saying that. Bird Creek Falls. Man, so I've never been here before. I didn't know what to expect, but man, this is so beautiful. Get out of the way of this tree here so you can kind of see a little better. The views up atop were some of the most amazing views I've seen here in Alaska so far. And then just have this beautiful waterfall to top it off at the very end. God, such a great day for it too. It's not raining, it's not windy back here. God, this is so great. This is what it's all about. Like I always say, have yourself an adventure. This is an adventure right here. Costs nothing to do except time. Man, I'm gonna post up here for a little bit before I start trekking back. Get some drone footage. God, this is so beautiful. Guys, this has been a really enjoyable day and a really enjoyable hike. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because after going all the way to the falls and then halfway back to get back to this point, I figured this is probably the best place I could possibly just relax, take a minute and just take it all in, get some water, and then start heading back. I really hope you guys enjoyed this journey with me. Like I said, I never even knew about this place until the other night when I started trying to just find an easy hike to get to, and I just stumbled on this place when I was looking through the All Trails app on iPhone, also on my MacBook. Man, can't say enough. Go out and just have yourself an adventure. Life's too short, man. You can't not love views like this, like what's right behind me. If it wasn't for just YouTube making me go out and doing this, today I would have probably just been sitting on the couch doing absolutely nothing. So with that being said, thank you for forcing me to go see things like this, because this is wonderful right here, and I appreciate it. I hope you appreciate it too. I hope you liked it. If you did, do me that solid. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all the good things. Till next time, keep the rubber side down, have yourself an adventure, and I'll see you guys on the flip side.